Ready to conquer one of Melbourne's toughest tracks? If you're up for the challenge, the famous 1000 steps is the perfect place to get your heart pumping. Surrounded by the lush, cool, temperate rainforest of the Dandenong Ranges, this track sees over 400,000 visitors each year. It's roughly a 2.8 kilometre return trip with about a 290 metre elevation gain, so be ready to feel the burn as you climb your way to the top. The 1000 steps was created in memory of the soldiers who fought on the infamous Kokoda Track during World War II. The campaign saw over 600 Australian soldiers lose their lives and countless others injured. It was one of the toughest battles fought in World War II. As you make your way up, take a moment to appreciate the memorial plaques. Each one shares stories of courage, mateship that helped define our nation. But don't worry, you don't have to be a soldier to tackle this track. Take it at your own pace. There are plenty of spots to stop and rest, admire the native ferns, towering eucalyptus trees, and take in the peaceful atmosphere. The sounds of birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, and the fresh mountain air are enough to visit. But if that wasn't enough, take a rest by one of the little creeks that flow alongside the track. It's the perfect spot to sit, reflect, and even meditate if you're feeling the zen. And trust me, when you get to the top, you'll feel like you've conquered a mountain, even though it's technically just a hill. The view from the top, absolutely worth it. From here, you can see across the Dandenong Ranges and beyond. It's not just about the bragging rights of making it to the top, it's about the sense of achievement and the stunning scenery that rewards you for every step you've climbed. So whether you're here to test your stamina, take a step through history, or just snap some incredible photos, the 1000 steps won't disappoint. And when you're finished, reward yourself at the cafe at the base of the trail. It's a local favourite, and after all that effort, you've definitely earned a treat.